Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the brush nickel mirror from Naomi Home Store. I'm sorry to be standing in the mirror making the video, but I have to show it this way. Okay, try to ignore me and just look at the mirror. I installed this for my wife yesterday, and it is a beautiful mirror, and she is thrilled. It is wife approved. We had a couple of towel racks installed on this wall, and she did not like those. So she wanted a full-length mirror, and this mirror is perfect. Very beautiful and really makes the room now. She really, really loves it, and it was actually very easy for me to install, much like a picture. Let me try to give you a closer look at the frame. Everything that I've seen on this mirror is high quality. I was very pleased when I unboxed it. I used 2 of these Monkey Hooks picture hangers and installed those in the sheetrock. I used picture hanging wire between the 2 D-rings on the back of the mirror. The Monkey Hooks and the wire through the D-rings made for a very easy install. They put clips on the back, D-rings, and it makes it easy to install this mirror either vertically like I have right here, or you can install it horizontally the long way. They make it easy to do either way you want to install it. We like this mirror, and I think you will too. So if you are looking at it, I hope you found this video helpful.